Is Bitcoin a good investment? Many people are asking this question, and the answer is not straightforward. There are many reasons that Bitcoin could be a great investment, but there are also some reasons that it might not be such a good idea. Before you jump on the bandwagon of trying to make money online through Bitcoin, here's what you should consider. Bitcoin, what is it? The process of moving money from one online bank account to another is familiar to most of us. This is what society understands to be digital currency. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency that differs from other forms in several ways. Cryptocurrencies enable direct interactions and eliminate the need for third parties such as banks. There are no physical coins. Every Bitcoin has an encrypted code that is a sequence of numbers and letters. The same algorithm used to generate the code may also be used to unlock it, similar to a virtual key. Here are some need-to-know points. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, are a type of payment that employs blockchain technology to transmit information across the internet. A Bitcoin must be mined, and the number of Bitcoins is finite. Actually, only 21 million Bitcoins are available to be mined. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means they aren't governed by a central bank or a government. Everyone is doing it. Should I invest in Bitcoin? Bitcoin is highly volatile, but if you're willing to take the chance and understand what you're investing in and have an investment strategy specific for crypto, it's worth a shot. Make sure you're not putting your money into something just because you're afraid of missing out. Before investing, consider the following questions. 1. Do I understand what I'm investing in fully? 2. What is my tolerance level of risk? 3. Is there an indicator that the price will rise? 4. If Bitcoin is such a great asset, why did you not get involved when the price was lower? 5. Have I convinced myself, or am I following a sound investing strategy? If you don't have the answers to these questions, it's probably not a good idea to invest. Things to think about before purchasing Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency, like any other investment, has its own set of hazards and potential profits. Cryptocurrency is certainly riskier than traditional kinds of investments. Think of it like gambling. You are speculating, and if you gamble, you only put a small amount of your income down at a time, not the entire savings pot. Golden Rule 101. Never invest money into anything that you're willing to lose. At the end of the month, if you're struggling to find money, then avoid crypto and learn to save first. Let's look at one major pro and con. Pro. Cryptocurrencies are borderless, which means they have the same value worldwide and no exchange rates. Con. Cryptocurrencies are a highly speculative and hazardous investment. Customers have also stated that they had to wait for their money because of technical difficulties. Can I lose everything with Bitcoin? Simply put, yes. Bitcoin may be a great investment, but it isn't for everyone. Here are 3 common ways to lose all of your money using Bitcoin. During a cryptocurrency crash, the price plummets and you sell. Crypto is volatile because of market sentiment. You actually only lose money if you sell an investment for less than what you paid for it. This is referred to as crystallizing your losses. Experts believe that 20% of all cryptocurrency has been forgotten about or lost, with a current value of around 140 billion. Cybercrime. Every day, hackers and scammers are accused of stealing around 10 million in cryptocurrency. Some investors, on the other hand, prefer to take their assets offline and store them in physical devices known as a cold wallet, or simply a hardware wallet. While this protects you from cyber attacks, it also puts your funds at risk. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, be sure to check out our playlist below. And if you're keen on making money online, subscribe to our weekly videos, where we can help you when it comes to sound financial guidance.